Today I wanted to share with you my top 20 recycled materials for journaling. Let's start off with a scrap fabric, old calendars, paper bags, playing cards, water jug, it works as a protector, tissue paper, paintbrush cleaning napkins, coffee filters, coloring pages, packaging materials, handmade paper, envelopes, old dictionaries or textbook pages, dryer sheets. Stay tuned to see how I use this. Cardboard from cereal, tea boxes, or any packaging. Magazine cutouts. Make sure to pay attention to the borders and patterns in the magazines. Pliers. And for stamping, I use a hair roller, clay toy, and bottle caps. Now let's use some of these supplies to create some of the challenge spreads. In case you're new here, my name is Jasmine and I love nature, journaling and crafting. If you enjoy those things, please subscribe for more. Here are the dryer sheets. I had this idea to do some embroidery on it and I love it. In case you're wondering what's the challenge about, it's a list of 31 prompts to help you start nature journaling. It's like a scavenger hunt and you can do it any time of the year. If you're interested, click the links below. Now for the second spread, the prompt is trash. So I went outside and grabbed some trash I found around me. I decided to add this prompt because I love using trash in my journal spreads and it helps me be more conscious of my waste. And if you want, you can use it as a trash pickup day. I wanted to record this journal spread, but my phone got really hot, so I had to turn it off for a while. But as you can see, I use all the trash. I found some tile spacers and added some tree bark. I hope this helped you get started gathering some materials and start journaling. I know the weather is still really cold in some countries. In the freebies, I included some of my own pressed flora that you can use to fulfill some of these prompts. And if you like my style, I will really appreciate for you to visit my shop